a warm welcome to Super Grads, and today we shall be talking about yet another important topic which is related to SNAP 2024. Yes, the top MBA colleges that you can apply through SNAP 2024. As you all know, SNAP के forms already out हो चुके हैं 5th of August को और last date apply करने की 22nd of November है। फॉर्म्स फिल करते टाइम ही आपको सिम्बायोसिस इंस्टीट्यूट जो हैं वो सिलेक्ट करने पड़ेंगे। एज यू ऑल नो, स्नैप के थ्रू आप 17 सिम्बायोसिस इंस्टीट्यूट्स में अप्लाई कर सकते हो। सो लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर कंफ्यूज राइट नाउ कि कौन से सिम्बायोसिस इंस्टीट्यूट सिलेक्ट करें। मैंने ऑलरेडी स्नैप फॉर्म फिलिंग पे एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप वीडियो बनाया हुआ है वेर आई हैव मेंशन्ड कि आइडियली आपको कौन से symbiosis institute select करने चाहिए, but here is the list of top 10 symbiosis institutes that you can target through snap 2024. So if you haven't filled the form yet, you can make sure that you note down this particular list. This video is going to be very crucial for all those aspirants who are planning to write snap 2024. एज यू ऑल नो, दिसंबर में एग्जाम होता है और आप इस एग्जाम के 3 अटेम्प्ट्स दे सकते हो। सो लेट अस क्विकली सी विच आर दोस टॉप 10 colleges that you can apply through snap 2024, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the very first college and the obvious one in the list that we have is SIBM Pune. Yes, a sure shot college that we will be targeting through SNAP. Now, if I talk about the fees for this particular college, it's 25 lakhs and the average package goes around 26.77 LPA. And if we talk about the cutoff, SNAP का cutoff usually 98.5 या 99 percentile ही जाता है for SIBM Pune because it is the main college that we are targeting through SNAP. Next in the list we have is SCMHRD Pune. Now this particular college is known for its human resource program. So उसका जो full form है SCMHRD, it stands for Human Resource Development over here. Fees is 24 lakhs. Average package is 23.71 LPA. And if we talk about the cutoff, it's 97 plus percentile जाता है. In fact, last year के according अगर हम देखें तो 98 के around गया था SCMHRD का जो cutoff है वो 98 percentile के around गया था. Next, if we talk about the college that is SIIB Pune, which is known for its program in international business. IB जो है यहाँ पे that stands for international business. Now here fees is 20 lakhs. Average package जो है 13.12 के आसपास रहता है and 93 plus आपको चाहिए होगा यहाँ पे. स्नैप का कट ऑफ 93 से 95 के बीच में जाता है for SIIB Pune. नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट वी हैव इज SIBM बैंगलोर. तो जैसे SIBM पुणे है जहाँ पे जनरल MBA और बाकी स्पेशलाइजेशन प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, वैसे ही SIBM बैंगलोर भी है जिसका फीस 19 lakhs है. And if we talk about the average package, it's 13.48 lakhs per annum and snap का कट ऑफ जाता है 90 plus percentile. Next in the list we have is SIOM Nashik. Now this particular college of symbiosis is known for its operations management program. तो अगर जिसको MBA in operations करना है, so वो definitely SIOM Nashik select कर सकते हैं in their forms. If we talk about the fees, it's 16 lakhs for 2 years, and if we talk about the average package, it's 12.38 lakhs per annum. And if we talk about the snap cutoff, 87 plus percentile जाता है snap का cutoff for SIOM Nashik. Next in the list we have is SIDTM Pune. Now SIDTM Pune is known for digital and telecom मैनेजमेंट ओवर हियर. तो जिसको भी MBA करना है इन डिजिटल मीडिया इन टेलीकॉम मैनेजमेंट, दे कैन डेफिनेटली टारगेट SIDTM पुणे, जिसका फीस इज 13.50 lakhs for 2 years. 12.78 is the average package over here. And if we talk about the snap cutoff, 83 percentile plus जाता है snap का cutoff. Next we have is SIBM Nagpur, just like SIBM Pune and Bangalore. Then we have SIBM Nagpur over here, and यहाँ पे एक advantage मिलता है to all the Nagpur domicile students over here. तो अगर आप नागपुर के ही resident हो, नागपुर के domicile student हो और apply कर रहे हो SNAP के, तो you have an advantage over here. So 13.70 lakhs is the fees for this particular college and 11.5 is the average package over here. यहाँ पे 83 प्लस जाता है स्नैप का कट ऑफ। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द एडवांटेज की जो मैं बात कर रही थी SIBM नागपुर की, सो यहाँ पे कुछ सीट्स जो है वो स्पेशली रिजर्व होती हैं फॉर द नागपुर डोमिसाइल स्टूडेंट्स। नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट वी हैव इज SIBM हैदराबाद, जिसका फीस इज 13.20 lakhs for 2 years. 10.2 is the average package. 10.2 lakhs per annum is the average package over here. And 60 percentile and plus आपका जाता है स्नैप का कट ऑफ over here. Next we have is SIMS Pune. Now this particular college, Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies Pune, is for all the defense personnel students out there. So जो भी ऐसे candidates हैं who are into defense, this particular college is for them. Now here the fees is 8.50 lakhs for 2 years. 8.8 is the average package out here. And if we talk about the cutoff, then it is 77 plus percentile. Next is, and the last college is SCIT, which is the college in Pune. SCIT is known for information technology. So जो भी students हैं जो MBA करना चाहते हैं in information technology, then you should be selecting this particular college. तो इसका जो फीस है that is 12 lakhs. Average package है 10.50 lakhs per annum. And if we talk about the cutoff, तो 76 percentile और उसके ऊपर जाता है स्नैप का cutoff for SCIT Pune. Okay, students, so that was the list for all the Symbiosis institutes. Although जैसा मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया कि 17 Symbiosis institutes हैं जो आप स्नैप के थ्रू टारगेट कर सकते हो, बट आई हैव मेंशन द टॉप 10. तो इन टॉप 10 में से आप अपने हिसाब से सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो इन योर फॉर्म व्हेन यू फिल फॉर स्नैप. स्नैप फॉर्म में इनमें से इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो है वो शॉर्टलिस्ट कर सकते हो. And if you're preparing for CAT 2024 and you want to stay connected with all the important tips, the preparation, resources, जो previous year questions हैं, the right approach and everything, then you can definitely join our Telegram channel because we are coming up with daily tips, strategies to crack CAT 2024, and in fact, related to the other management entrance exams as well. The QR is given right over here. You can scan this particular QR and you can join our channel. And if you want, you can follow us on Instagram as well, wherein we share a lot of information with regards to the B school, the top colleges that you should be applying to. And if you're here on the YouTube channel for the very first time, then make sure you do subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments below that what all preference videos would you like us to bring to you, और किनके बारे में आपको information चाहिए, कोई doubt है, कोई query है with regards to any form or any B school, then you can definitely let us know in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.